Agbadamu, you know if you change your shoe, joiner. Oh, prideful. You to get pride. I reject you in the mighty name of Jesus. I reject you. Anything that will cause you and I to ever be together, I destroy it.
My wonderful people. I know if you see life don't tire me, but life don't tire my enemies. Waiting on this earth you go do when it be say people no go complain. I have decided to pick the pieces of my life at my age, despite the fact everything I have worked so hard for. A woman sit down on top of him. Not me be the only first person when it be say I marry. But at the end of the day, it not work. But I not get peace of mind just because of my partner. And as for those gullible followers, when they give to 2,000 naira, when they see the truth, deviate from the truth, come they support evil. You see white, and at the end of the day, they call them red. Out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaketh. No ask me why are you doing this video in the bush, because as for me, I don't understand myself. I don't know when it has become a crime. I don't know when it has become a crime for you to even use your money, whether you buy the cloth credit or you buy them with money. But at the end of the day, people, they envy you. Kevin? Yeah? I beg, mute that thing. That might call when they ring. Okay. Mute them. Just carry my phone come out there. I never know when he turn to cry when he be saying, even with this water, when they drink, they cause some people pain. I don't really know what is wrong with Mabel. And so many of you will say, stop talking about the issue. I will not stop talking while she's still condemning me. See, let me tell you, my wonderful fans. You see what Mabel is displaying on social media, eh? Na primary school of what she is sending to me on a voice message on a daily basis. And I have seen that Mabel does not have good intention for me. I have seen that Mabel does not wish me well. My happiness is giving her problem. I don't understand. After the whole money, we worked in Europe, over 200,000 euros. We bought car of 53,000 euros last 2 years on social media. We paid cash from Facebook money. We invested a lot of money in Austria. And you sit down on top, and at the same time, you still they condemn me. What do you want from me? And I want to use this medium to appreciate somebody I have never mentioned before, my godmother. She is in Finland. And this woman stood by me, just like other ladies, men stood by me when the journey was tough. And she said, please, store Mabel's name to back to sender. Because all these calls that she's laying on you, if she lay on you, will go back to sender. And she gave me that advice, and I took that advice. Ever since then, this is Mabel's number. I wrote it back to sender. I want you guys to listen to the kind of voice message she sent me. She has been sending me various voice messages and videos. You know, just listen to this kind of voice message your so-called mentor sent to me.
Where Agbada, when you know if you change your shoe, joiner, oh, prideful, you to get pride. I reject you in the mighty name of Jesus. I reject you. Anything that will cause you and I to ever be together, I destroy it. Anything that will make you and I to be together as partner, I destroy it. I reject 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 it in the mighty name of Jesus. Because you are a low life, prideful human being.
Waiting concern my Agbada when I wear concern Mabel. I don't understand. And before she sent me this voice message, look at the voice message she sent before then.
I beg you in the name of God, stop narrating me that I put RIP on your parents' picture. I never did. I never did.
Mabel have bipolar. I have said it before. I don't know what is haunting her, who they pursue her, but at the end of the day, she will know that what she has done to me, they're not they do to any other person. Just because she not give a damn about her own family members, she doesn't care how the brothers or sisters are faring. Though she comes out on social media, I made them this, I made them that, I did this, I did that, or whatever. All those are just fallacy. Because Mabel does not do anything in return. You are telling them that you did not insult my mom or wrote RIP on my mother's picture. You are not mentally okay, Mabel. I don't want to insult you because people have really talked to me that shouldn't insult you. So I'm trying to be very, very polite in my speech. But you were the one that brought my mom and my dad's picture on social media. And at the same time, you wrote on that your picture you posted, which I have the record. I have the screenshots. And as well, I'll post that screenshot on this very video right now. Yes, I'll post it right now on this video. When you said, my mom is a thief, my mom is this, my mom is that. Mabel, it can never be well with you. It is not a curse. It is what you have wished yourself. And continue to swim in pride, while the pride, they carry you down below. And my wonderful fans, please, the truth is gradually getting unveiled. And you are relating Nelly Gold, Vera, and all that, which I don't want to play for now. I'm going to play the voice record in the nearest future. I'm keeping them for documentative purposes. Till now, I have never spoken to Nelly Gold. This very day when I made this video, so I've never spoken to Nelly Gold. I've never spoken to Vera Television. I've never spoken to most people you are accusing me or alleging me that I am the one that got in contact with them. You allege me that I was the one that gave Nelly Gold your late husband's picture. This is what you are using to condemn me in the presence of the kids. You allege me of sending Michelle's picture and her boyfriend's picture to Nelly Gold. Nelly Gold can attest to that. If actually I have ever spoken to her. But just because you are not okay, I am not explaining this thing to you, but I'm just trying to enlighten my fans. And as for your gullible followers, they don't be shame for you already. And with time, you will use Kaya to enter inside house. Love still remain a beautiful thing. Don't get it twisted. Bye bye, guys.